Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Aadhaar must be active and the registered mobile reachable. Once done, open Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. Make sure to grant SMS and phone permissions so OTPs arrive. Tap your profile, then payment methods to begin Aadhaar-based setup. You will use Aadhaar eKYC or Aadhaar OTP for verification. Choose OTP if biometrics aren't available. Move quickly through permission prompts, because they let Google Pay link your bank and Aadhaar smoothly. You now perform Aadhaar eKYC to link your bank. Select Add Bank Account, pick Aadhaar eKYC, and type your 12-digit Aadhaar number carefully. Mistakes delay verification. Request the OTP sent to your Aadhaar-registered mobile and enter it promptly. Once OTP confirms identity, choose the bank account to associate. Google Pay fetches bank details tied to your Aadhaar. Make sure the account name matches your Aadhaar name. If not, pause and resolve the mismatch with your bank before proceeding. You finish by setting or entering your UPI PIN to authorize transactions. Choose a secure 4- or 6-digit PIN and confirm it. Then send a small test payment to validate payments and incoming receipts and observe confirmation messages. If anything goes wrong, note the reference ID and avoid repeated tries. One key troubleshooting tip: if OTPs do not arrive, verify your Aadhaar's registered mobile number at an enrollment center or check network/permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.